cause you look at me and I see all the things that I kept only just for you. That's how the trip made me feel. I feel like Ring the Alarm, Beyonce. I don't know, it's the but this is my show and I won't let you go. Anyway, hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this really cute style. Shout out to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this unit and sponsoring today's video. I am a big fan of how today's style came out, and if you want to see how I got it, go ahead and stay tuned and keep watching. It's giving me very much Beyonce for some reason right now, but it wasn't at first. It's like messy, fun, cute. I like it. If you want to see how I got it, stay tuned and keep watching, and we can get on into it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
It's me! Cute. Oh, no. Stop the applause. Stop it. Okay, come on. Hi, beautiful. Hi, it's your girl. I'm here with my forehead out. And you know what that means? It's time to put on a wig. I might talk a little bit. I might not. I just came to vibe. I'm gonna do my hair and chill. I got this inspo of what I'm gonna do, but I always say what I'm gonna do, and then like sometimes halfway through I change, so I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do it. Today's unit is from Beauty Forever Hair. It's one of those units that came curled, and if you think I'm not gonna take advantage of some long lasting curls, you're wrong. So I am. I went ahead and separated the frontal and I bleached the knots and plucked them, and that's what this is looking like. That's why I got these little pieces in the front that's all combed out and gross. This is how the pluck and the bleach job went. And the inside cap construction is a 13x4 with a little U shape. Not that much space on the side, but it's enough. Let's put it on. Y'all know I hate when it's just a lot of lace. Like, why they got all this extra lace up here but they couldn't put none of it in the frontal part where everybody need it at? You know, just a big waste of lace. I'm finna cut it off because I can't stand when it's poking me in my lashes. So let's go ahead and cut that off. And I know you're looking at me like, bitch, this ain't the makeup tutorial. I know, like I need to get new makeup. Like, I can't show you guys the same bronzer from 3 years ago. That'll be really embarrassing. I'm truly gonna save myself from some embarrassment by showing y'all my makeup. I need to re-up on the makeup. So once I re-up on the makeup, I'll have the makeup tutorial. So anyway, let's throw on the wig. I love when a wig fits really good and snug, so that's really exciting. Here's what the style is looking like so far. It's got a few highlights in the front, not so much in the back. It's like a baby highlight back here, but the highlight distribution is a little, you know. I've already got a layer down of Even Active. I'm going to do section by section because I don't really want a whole bunch of spray on my face right now. Now, I'm gonna make this so quick because the process is very tired and I know y'all think it's tired as well. So let's wrap it up, 2 slits, push it back, spray each section, let's get it. Honestly, I could do the whole thing, honestly. The wig fits so well, that's like I could just, so I'm gonna just put it on. Cause like I said, I love when a wig like just fits. So let's put it on all the way, fuck it. I said I didn't wanna be difficult. This pleases me very much. That was very easy. I love a very easy install. This is what I need when I come back after being gone for 2 weeks. So this is very pleasing to me. And I'm gonna get my elastic band and I'm gonna let it sit for like a good couple minutes. Not that long probably because I still gotta razor off, spray again. You know how it goes. So let me put this band on real quick and we can reconvene. Razor off the extra lace when you know you take your elastic band off. Spray a little bit more even on your little spatula, maybe your finger if you don't got it like that. Blow dry till it's dry and repeat for every section, and then you'll be like me. Having to free your ears. You'll be like me. And now again, we let it sit. In the meantime though, while I'm letting it sit, I'm gonna grab the hair that I'm gonna do for the style. Now you get to know the style. I wanna do like a curtain bang type deal with a half up, half down. I feel like it'll be really hot. I want to get all the half up, half down, like all the way up, you know. I don't know how much is needed for like a good bang. Okay, so I'm gonna just pull out some pieces for the front and then section off the hair for the half up, half down. Okay, I got my two sections. This is the ponytail and this is the bang part. And now it's time for y'all's favorite part, the adult hairs. So I'm just trying to get the end of my baby hairs out right now because I will get the front, but I just need to make sure the back got. So I get the back of my baby hairs and then I also get my sideburns. Once those pieces are pulled out, now it's time to go ahead and slick it up to get that nice, sleek, hot half up, half down. And then we're gonna put back on the elastic band. Yeah, I like how this is looking. This is exactly how I want it to look. Let's just hope the curtain bang looks how I want it to look as well. Get out my shot, please. And I probably should scoot down a little bit so you can see ponytail. This is what the hair is looking like. I'm loving the curls that are already in it. Very pleased. The ponytail is very slick. I will be wrapping around a little piece around it, but I don't really feel like it. I want to move forward. Let's do this baby hair. As you can see, I did go ahead and pull some more baby hair out from the front from the curtain bang, and that'll be used as well. I'm going to go in with the eyebrow razor and just make sure the cut is real jagged. And once they're all cut, I'm going to go in with my Sebastian Shaper Plus and spray it to make sure there's some hold. I'm going to give that a curl. Use my Bedhead Pixie Flat Iron. Now there's not a link for that oil, but there is a link for this Bedhead Pixie Flat Iron. Be sure to check it out. Once all the curls is curled, let's comb them out real quick with the edge brush. I'm going to be using my edge booster and my grip gel, both in combination to really lay down these baby hairs. And here is the final product. Baby hair are done. Now we're really wrapping it up here. It's getting really to the end. I'm gonna get my curling iron plugged up because I'm gonna need it. I kind of want them to go from like my nose to my chin of layers, so I'm just gonna do it, you know. Bangs ready. A little bit of Sebastian spray to get it. Y'all know I'm particular, and you know my hot comes off. It's still hot? No, it's not. Okay, hot comb's hot. I'm finna hot comb. Let's hot comb. Yeah, I'm gonna give them a curl. I'm curling away from my face and I want them to just kind of layer on themselves. So let's see how this goes. A little bit of Sebastian Shaper Plus, little comb through. I'm gonna do the other side of camera because I don't know what I just did. I need to figure it out again. So here's the curl. Now here's the other curl. I've got a new shirt on now and I feel like my turtleneck really like turtlenecking right now. I'm not a fan of that. My hair is so fucking cute, but I want to show you guys how I bring back the curls that, you know, the wig came with. I just go ahead and brush them out, and then in the direction the curl is, I'll just follow back, and there you go. It's that easy. Shout out to Beauty Forever for sending me this pre-curled highlighted unit. It's my wonder out the box. They could, but you know me, I gotta bleach and pluck. I just wish the unit had a little bit more of the blonde. Like, it's so much black and it's a little heavy on the blonde at the top, but it's still cute. It's still cute. I'm still a fan. I still look good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It was kind of cute. I haven't sat and talked in front of the camera in a long time. I didn't know I was gonna even talk that much, but here I am, and I'm very pleased. And I hope you guys enjoyed the look. If you did, make sure you hit that like, and if you made it all the way to the end, go ahead and comment a thumbs up emoji. It's kind of random, whatever shade you is. I don't want to see no white thumbs in my comment section now. Yeah, I need to shut up and I need to leave. So, you know, if you do want to leave a white thumb, that just happen to be your skin tone, like, I'm not going to judge you. I hope you guys enjoyed. You know, these my baby hair, but they're really cute. And I just feel like, ring the alarm. I've been doing this too long. That's how I feel. All right. I'm going to leave now. Bye. Bye, beautiful. I'll see you in the next one.